In today's episode, we're going to learn about the idiom far and wide. The idiom far and wide means everywhere or over a large area. It signifies extensive coverage or thorough searching. The origin of far and wide dates back to the 16th century. It combines far, meaning distant, and wide, signifying broad or extensive. This idiom is often used to emphasize the extent to which someone has looked, searched, or spread something. Now, let's see how far and wide is used in sentences. Here's our first example. She searched far and wide for her lost cat. In our second example, we have, his music is loved far and wide across the globe. For the third example, they traveled far and wide to find the perfect wedding venue. Moving on to our fourth sentence. The news about the discovery spread far and wide. Finally, our fifth example is, farmers gather far and wide for the annual agriculture fair. As you can see, far and wide is versatile and can be used in various contexts to convey extensive reach. Understanding idioms like far and wide can enhance your English fluency and make your speech more engaging. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more exciting idiom explorations.